They fall out. They fall out. At the end of the day, what can I say? Hey,
J-Biz, I know you came here to say it's okay cause I love you anyway. Hey J-Biz, I know you came here to say it's okay cause I love you all day.
hey y'all. Look at me. I'm back home in my own space. Don't have any pillows. Don't know where they went. They disappeared. Somebody stole them off my bed when I left. So yeah, that's that. But in today's video, my last video I posted, it was about ordering my inventory. Today's video, I have all my inventory here. We're gonna be opening it, unboxing it, and all that other jazz. Let's start off with the first box that I see. This is the Amazon box, and we're gonna just open everything to see what everything is. Y'all, I feel like it's Christmas. I'm so freaking excited, and I still don't have a business name. So if you're new here or you didn't watch my last video, go and watch my last video, because there I will tell you guys about all the names that I'm trying to think of. Okay, so this box is my most recent order. This one contains squeeze tubes. This is a 30-piece set of squeeze tubes, 24 karat gold leaf flakes, and then I ordered some castor oil. Now this is the only oil that I ordered, because I can get the other oils from the store. Just 100% regular castor oil. Next is the second box. This box is dirtier than the first box, so I'm scared. Okay, so in the second box, I have my organza bags. I forget the sizing. I think it's like 4x8, but if you really want to know, go check out my last video. I really wanted pink organza bags, but I couldn't find pink bags that were little enough. That were big enough. So for right now, I have pink. And then this is the pack of 200 shipping labels. I'm not going to open this right now because it's really no need for me to open it, and then they all go everywhere. But pack of 200 shipping labels. Ooh, look at this. Guess what this is. I'm going to give you guys 5 seconds to guess what this is. Right here. All of this glory. Guess what this is. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guys guessed pink bubble mailers, then you are correct. Look at it. So these are the pink bubble mailers that I ordered. These are 4x8, and they're extremely small. And I didn't realize how small they were until I ordered them. And so I was going to reorder some more bubble mailers that were bigger. But I'm like, I'm only selling gloss. Like, how many can somebody buy? They're not going to buy 100 glosses. So this should work for now, but I definitely have to get some more that are bigger. Because like, even with the organza bag is 4x8. This is also 4x8, so like they're the same size, so I can make it work for now. But you know, in the future, like in the next week or two, I need to order some bigger sizes. But these are really cute. I don't know if you guys can see, but they have like little makeup cosmetic designs on the nail polish, lipstick, roses, perfume, stuff like that. So they're really cute. So y'all, this is my last box that I'm about to open. Let's watch me struggle and open this box. Oh, I ain't struggle this time. I'm trying to put unnecessary clips in because I gotta make this video over 10 minutes because nobody is seeing my videos, and I know it's because YouTube is not recommending my videos because it's not over 10 minutes. And apparently my videos are just not worthy for YouTube. So from now on, every video that I post has to be over 10 minutes. I'm trying to make some money here, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is my last box. So this right here, I'm not going to unpackage anything because I feel like I don't have anywhere to put it. So if I unpackage it, it's like, what am I going to do with everything? But these are the 5 60ml syringes that I was trying to get you guys to buy. But when I uploaded the video, they were out of stock. So just know 60ml syringes. These are the big ones. So you can easily, like, you know, do what you gotta do. These are the 50 pack of stickers that I told you guys about that I will be inserting in every order. I think we pushing it here, y'all. These stickers are a little bit big for this, but it's okay. This is trial and error. This is what this is all about. You order a pack of 48 or 50, 60 poly mailers and they too small, and you still work with what you got, because at the end of the day, what can I say? And so this right here is my shipping scale that I ordered. Let's go ahead and open it. It comes with 2 AAA batteries. I mean 4 AAA batteries. Well, 3 AAA batteries. And then it also comes with a charger plug thing. So this is the shipping scale. I'm going to take it out of the packaging. So this is it here. It has a power button and a ounce button. So why is it a battery in the charger? Oh, so I guess it's cordless if you have batteries, but if you don't have batteries, or if you have non-working batteries, that's where the cord comes in handy. I gotta make sure to not lose these, because I will lose this. I won't. Don't say that. Don't say that. I won't lose it. I won't lose it. So I just wrap this back up so I won't lose it, and I'm gonna put it back where it came from. Never mind. I won't put it back where it came from, because I just put it down. Okay, so this is my last shipment, and this is the juicy stuff. So this is all of the stuff that I got from TKB Trading. I got my Versagel, I got the flavoring oils, and I got some pigments. There's something in here. It smells like candy, and I'm thinking it's the flavoring oils, but I don't understand why they'd be so strong. And it's wrapped up, like really heavily wrapped up. So with the Versagel base, I got 5 of these, of the 5.5 ounces ones, and it was like $5, so it came to like 25 or 30. But the largest one, max, is over 30. So I don't have that type of money. Plus I don't know if this is really what I want to do. So I just got 5 of these total. Oh my god, my camera's about to die. Then for the pigments, I got a gold reflex pigment, so a gold glitter one. Then I got, it's called Cosmic Carolyn, and it's just a pink pigment. And then I got this it's called Soft Violet, and it's just a purple pigment. So as you can see, something is missing. My lip gloss tubes are missing, so I'm about to go on my phone right now and see where they are, because they're the only thing that's not here, and like, it's the most important part. The squeeze tubes are for something totally different. So it looks like my packet is still in China. August 14th, 1:01 a.m. is the last time it was tracked. Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm just here to close out and finish this video. It is 9:48 a.m. August 22nd, and I'm about to go somewhere. But yesterday, I just want to say, so it's August 22nd. Yesterday, August 21st, I received a package, and guess what it is? The lip gloss tubes. So remember that I ordered the tubes August 6th, and I didn't get them till the 21st. That is a long time. So this is the box all beat up and whatnot. I don't have any regular scissors, so I got what is it called? Something shears. Thinning shears. Guys. Oh, they fall out. They fall out. This is amazing. Let me see if I can find some stoppers because I don't see any stoppers. This is the tube. God. Oh yeah, it came with some stoppers, but it didn't come with enough stoppers, I don't think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, it might have came with enough. I'm not sure. But let me zoom in for y'all real quick so y'all can see just exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm really trying to get y'all to see this lip gloss tube. So this is the tube. I can't remember if this is 5 milliliters or 8 milliliters, but I think it is 8. So it's like this rose gold encapsulated tube at the top, and then you open it like that, and it's just a regular doe foot applicator. It's a flat doe foot applicator. So yeah, that's that. The inside is rose gold. These are really pretty tubes, and honestly, I'm kind of glad I got them. I feel like the website doesn't do them justice. On the website, the only thing though, they were gold, not rose gold. Now I love rose gold, don't get me wrong, like this is beautiful, but what if I was a person that wanted gold? But yeah, y'all, this is beautiful. Okay, y'all, so now that I have my lip gloss tubes, I'm so excited. And now I'm done. So my second entrepreneur life video is done. The next video will be me either like making the glosses and filling the tubes up, or doing my website and making my logo and stuff like that. I still don't have a name. I'm not going to do Zovana J. I just cut that out. So I still like the name Zovana though. So if you have Zovana something, like Zovana and another thing, please, 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 y'all comment down below. I did not get any comments on that last video about a name. Please, please, I'm begging you. I need help. But if you liked that video, make sure you subscribe. If you didn't like that video, still make sure you subscribe and comment down below what you would like to see next. When you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified every single time that I upload. Make sure you share this video with your friends and your family. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.